The E610 series industrial-grade wireless data transmission radio can achieve continuous and uninterrupted transmission at different serial port baud rates. This video is intended to demonstrate transparent transmission in general transmission mode for the E610 series serial version radios. We need to use the following materials. Connect E610 radio and USB to 485 conversion. Note that the 485 connection should follow the connection method of a 2A and B to B. Connect the antenna here. Connect the radio to the power supply. Connect to USBs to 485 via docking station to the computer. Power on the radio station. At this point, the radio wiring section has been completed. Next, configure the parameters. Flip the M1 dip switch on the side of the modem upwards. Keep MO in place. Open RF settings software. Select the corresponding serial port. Open serial port. Click Read Parameters to read the default parameters of D2. Click the radio station parameters under the General Mode label. Follow the same steps to configure another radio station and modify the address parameter of radio modules to 1. Other parameters can be left as default. Now, let's demonstrate the transmission. Switch the M1 dip switch back to on to switch to continuous transmission mode. Computer open serial port debugging assistant. Configure it to 96008N1 and open the serial port. Send data, and as shown in the figure, data can be successfully sent and received.